Okay, I've literally been waiting days to open this. Finally, we're gonna unbox them. I'm putting in quotation marks because they're like packages. So this is the smallest one. It doesn't say anything on the label of what it is. So let's see. It says, "Could you like shut up?" And then it's just with these little 3 colors, and obviously this is mostly colors. But this is the shirt. It feels kind of nice. Like, it doesn't feel like swimsuit material, and it's just, I think the sizing is actually perfect for like how I want to style it, how I want to wear it, how I want it to look on me basically. I think this is pretty good. It feels also pretty stretchy too. Like, yeah. This is gonna be cute. I don't know, I just saw this and I was like, definitely. Coming in and out with the try on part, but basically here I was just pointing at the little space in between the word "sh," and obviously it's common sense if they're copying something, they can't copy it exactly because of copyrights and stuff. And I knew that. I don't know why I was like making a big deal of it. I literally saw that, but I guess I just wanted you to know that that was there. And then I did that face because it had like a weird smell, but honestly, like for the quality, the price, like this is a 9 out of 10. Like I would say 10/10, but it really was a funky smell. But like I said, it doesn't bug me that much because there's nothing a quick wash won't fix. So yeah, definitely I think this was worth the price. Doesn't say what it is. I mean, it probably does, but it's in Chinese. So, okay. These, oh, I think these are Fishnets. I had these other Fishnets, but they ripped and I needed new ones, and they were like $1, so I was like, you know, let's just try it out. They seem pretty stretchy. I don't know though, I have really big thighs. Last time I ordered tights, it wasn't from here, it was from Amazon. I didn't even get to wear them once because they ripped while I tried to pull them up. And they're supposedly one size. So yeah, we're just gonna have to. Okay, I'm assuming it's another shirt, like similar to the. Oh, it's just a little broad shirt. I thought it was gonna be like another muscle thing, I guess you could say, like the last one because of this. But no, it's this little just like baby tee. And then I don't even remember this being on there, like this thing. I thought it was just all white. I'm pretty sure. Or maybe it was like this, but I thought the lining was black. I don't know. I have to check. I remember ordering a shirt, like a black shirt, but I don't remember it being like that. So I don't know how I feel because like this is brads on it, so I like it, but it's also like I literally feel like that's not what I ordered. So I have mixed feelings about it. But anyways, on to the next. I'll get back to you. So I rechecked my order, and clearly here there's no black collar, right? But as soon as you click on the products, every single one has a black collar. I don't know, maybe I'm just slow and didn't pay attention, or I did see it and I just didn't care. I don't know, but yeah, obviously the color is right, but every single one has a black collar. So here's that Bratz shirt. So it looks good. I think that's all that matters. It's a little bit tight around my arms, so that's why I'm gonna say like it's a so-so. But honestly, throwing in the washer, I think it'll be fine. It doesn't really matter to me. I mean, it looks good. It's for the most part stretchy, so just because of that one minor detail, I'm gonna say 8 out of 10. But honestly, it's just because I have big arms. But anyone else could probably pull this off. So more packages in that. You start with the thinnest, lightest, whatever. I was so confused when I saw purple. It's just this 2000s baby. Little tea. Just for clarification, they're not supposed to be Bratz dolls. They're supposed to be like those, you know, Pinterest edits you see that are inspired by Bratz dolls, but they're not actually like trying to copy them, just taking inspiration. But yeah, anyways, this top, really good. Love it. So this is what I ordered because I saw the shirt, and then I saw these, and this is why I decided to actually order the shirt, because I saw these and I was like, oh my god, that would be the cutest matching set. And this is what I expected the pink to look like, and it's got like the brown lining, so I guess that's right. And I'm just don't know how to see when I order stuff. But yeah, the pinks are different. It's not that noticeable, but you could still see it. I know. There's not much to say about these. They looked exactly how I wanted them. They feel lightweight. They're cute. I loved that little pink. Like, it's the pink I wanted on the shirt, but it's fine, whatever. Yeah, loved it. 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend. Anyways, now, lastly, the big one. Okay, there's a few stuff in here. There's 5 packages just lying here. Okay, so, anyways, starting with the biggest. The little skirt is just really thin, and I literally just ordered clothes, so kind of scared of what this is gonna be. Cause like this is super thin. Come on. Okay. Oh. So I didn't expect it like that, but I mean it makes sense. It's just this is a, I guess it's counts as a fishnet maybe, but I ordered. I know you're thinking fishnets, right? This is just a fishnet shirt. Okay, so I've always personally liked these fishnet style tops, like the jersey style and this style. So I thought, you know, since I've been loving it, I'd finally purchase one. And not gonna lie, Midi season 2 kind of pushed me towards it, because I figured it's probably gonna be in the style again. So once again, for reference, we're referring to this iconic scene.
Person I have ever fucking met. You fuck my ex and you're fucking crying?
But mostly because I always liked it. But yeah, love this. I'm so excited to style this. Definitely a yes. Seems super stretchy, so 10 out of 10. Definitely for the price. I've been so excited for this skirt. Okay, thank God. It's just this velvety hot pink skirt with this little heart in the corner. It has these strings to tighten it, which I'm not gonna need. A little worried about the length of it, but then again, I'm a short person, so I don't know, because it's confusing because I'm a short person, but I also have curves, so that's gonna be like really scary. And this is a size L. I don't even remember if there was size. I think there wasn't. That's why I got an L, because I would have been safe and gotten an XL if I would have known. But I probably will wear this anyways, because I love it that much. It's so cute. Just gonna have to be. I expected the skirt was a bit short, but honestly, like I said, I'm going to be a little bit risky, and that's fine. I don't care. I love that skirt that much. It's gonna stay in my closet. So for me, even though it's short, 10 out of 10. So here's the next one. Oh, okay. So it's just this simple black, like I guess you could say bodycon dress. Looks short, but you just tie like that. You just tie it like that, and then that's how you make the straps. And this like literally lays. It's supposed to lay like right under your ribs. Yeah. I don't know how to describe it. You're just gonna have to see it. This feels kind of weird though. Like, it doesn't feel really, really weird, but it is like some weird material. I feel like it's like what my grandma said, cardigan material. But honestly, I don't really care. So this one was just not it. Like the sizing was off. I ordered an L. This looks like a small. Obviously, like I managed to put it on, but like literally you could see everything if I wasn't wearing shorts. And then look at the straps, like they're not even staying on, and it's it's under my boobs, but like how low is it? Like literally look at that. Maybe when I wear it without the shorts and like the actual shirt I'm gonna wear it with, it might be good, but for now, definitely not it and do not recommend. This is a size L, and like I said, it looks like a small, so 2 out of 10. This one next. Okay, yes, I know exactly what this is. The moment I saw this skirt online, I was like, need it, because this color, I've been obsessed with it, like, since I saw Maddie wear this color. For reference, here are the outfits. See how it's this specific green? It just looks so gorgeous. She wore it several times, and I am in love with it. I was like, okay, here's the thing. Not just because Maddie wore it, but literally because since I was little, like since I was in 3rd grade, I've always loved green. Always. It was like my favorite color. And then I just went through phases and stuff, but it's always been one of my favorite colors. But I've always been told it doesn't look good with my skin tone, and that's why like it really discouraged me to wear green. But now that it's like on trend again, I'm starting to like realize that fuck that. I'm gonna do what I want. It's my and once I saw like Maddie was like kind of a similar skin tone to mine, and also just being Mexican, I was like, girl, she looks so good in it. Like that probably looks really good on your skin tone too. So yeah, I got this kind of shimmery midi skirt. It's super stretchy, so thank God. I'm sorry, it's just if there was a matching top to this, I would have gotten it because matching sets in this color are just seem like a dream to me right now. This color and like lavender, just matching sets. I want like a bunch right now. I don't know why. I just want matching sets, like just plain ones, just like a biking shorts and a shirt and a bra and pants, like different combos, types of clothing, but sets. How long this skirt is. I just needed to show y'all. Like I said, I just really love this skirt, so I went to the mirror and just admired myself for a moment because that green, the length, it just looks so good. It was so stretchy. I had to change the angle to show you how long it is. The shimmer, you can't really see it on camera, but it's cute. It's like super light. Like you can't really notice it, but if the sun hit it, it would look so gorgeous. I absolutely love this 10. I just love it. But this is the last one. It's really cute. Oh, I know what this is. I really hope this one works. So I ordered this Japanese style skirt, and I'm not saying that to like be racist or something. Like that's literally what the thing said. So yeah, and I've seen it on Japanese like fashion. So yeah, don't come at me for that. But it's just this. This is stretchy. So relieved about that. How short it's gonna be? I think it for the most part should be fine. But it can also still be kind of risky. Just by a little bit, like not that much. So we're just gonna have to wait and see for the trial. But yeah. But the reason I gasped is because, okay, obviously, look at this, like, so cute. But also, they gave me a little freebie. Look at this clip. It's so adorable. It's just, I don't want to take it out yet, but just this little puppy, this little dog. And you know, like, look at that. And the little heart, and it's checkered. So adorable. But that is,
I don't even know where to begin with this one. Literally, I'm thinking, okay, this is gonna be okay. Like, I just have to, it's stretchy. Maybe this might work, okay? If anything, it'll be super short. Not that bad, right? Yeah, it does not. Like, it's not even, oh, it didn't go over my butt. Like, no, it doesn't even go up my thighs. And just to show you how bad it is, it's like the size of one of my thighs. I don't know how I was supposed to fit in that, but this is definitely an L in Asian size, not American. So I thought, maybe as a shirt, you know? That's like a trend, right? Hopefully, like, that can work. So here I am trying to do that. Yeah, that was not happening either. So I love this skirt, maybe in the future, but for now, it's a flop.
I'm just like Madonna. Got the facts so sharp like piranhas. Put it in my cart if I wanna. 𝗬𝗍𝗁𝗍𝗁𝗍 and go.